we provide a unique feature called report scheduling, where you will be able to schedule reports, data reports, as well as the dashboards to the team members directly from the platform. And here you need to define for which use case and for which data source and what feature exactly. Is it a dashboard that you want to schedule, or do you want to send it to some team members, or is it the data reports? So data reports are nothing but the queries that I showed you in Data Explorer. So as like you save the you build some queries, you save the queries, and those queries can be now used here, so that every if you schedule, let's suppose for this example, you are saying that you are going to schedule a dashboard for insurance premium, and you want to schedule it once. So you can select a date of any date, time as well, and accordingly you can select all the users to whom you want these reports to be scheduled to. So in this way, all these reports will be scheduled to this to the users, and they will be getting the same insurance dashboard that I showed you. They will be getting only for once, because you have selected the type as once. You can also make a repeat schedule, so that on a specific way, like weekly or monthly, you'll be able to make sure that every Monday, for example, in this case, every Monday, the users, whosoever you select, the users will be getting the dashboards until a specific date. So every Monday morning 10 a.m. they will be getting the dashboards they will be notified via email, and they will be getting the access to dashboard. Now, similarly, if they select data, so they will be getting the data extracts. They will be getting access to the CSVs for which they have actually built a query and saved it. So that's how you can also make the schedule reporting in a monthly way, like every month on the date of, let's suppose, 20th of every month, you can schedule a report to your team members accordingly, and you will take the control of like until which day you want to make it available to the users. So report scheduling provides you both the way where you can actually schedule the dashboards as well as the data extracts in form of PDF and CSV from the platform. At any time, you can deactivate the reports, and if somehow you think that this report is not valid and don't need to be shared anymore to the users, you can also remove the users or reconfigure the schedulers. Like if you want the users to be changed, or you want more people to include them, you can always look into that and include it accordingly. Along with that, you'll be able to track down what are the reports that has been scheduled, and who are the users. Are they successfully getting the reports via email? So you'll be able to track down all these actions via the status that has been provided in in the table. In case of any failures, or in case of any issues, you will be able to track down through the status and take the necessary actions for which the report might have failed to reach the user. Similarly, you can create numerous schedulings for scheduling the dashboards as well as the data extracts.